Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have another great small truck, the Nissan Frontier, and we did something that you probably won't see done anywhere else. Now, we already have one video, and I said, what the heck, we'll do a second video, the same exact thing. What did I do? I'll tell you 1 second. If you have questions, don't bother typing online, just call us. Here's our telephone number right there. That's a great number. It works really well. You can call us. You can ask for Buddy, who's behind the camera, our master tech. You ask for myself, Chris, or any of the people who work here to help you out. So what do we have here? Well, we have the Nissan Frontier Pro FX. Now, this guy, as you see here, has the factory roll bar, and it's a great looking roll bar. Take a look at it. He actually bought this, and he called us up and goes, look, I want a cover, and I want the roll bar, but everyone is telling me you can't do them. But we can do them. This gentleman actually drove from Alabama to Florida just for us to do this. So I had to do a good job because that was a long drive. So what do we have here? Well, we have the Revolver X4S, and take a really good look on how sharp this cover is. Man, low profile, super clean. As you can see, the roll bar does work with this. Now, I'm not going to go into all the details how we made this work. You know why? It's the secret sauce of C&H. Now, like I said, if you buy this stuff from us, I will tell you how to do it. That being said, it is not the easiest setup. It's a little bit of work. I mean, luckily this is number 2, and the first one took longer because Buddy and I had to figure out how to make it work. This time around, we already know how it made it work, so we just had to do what we did the first time, and it did become easier the second time. So this looks really good together. Let's go ahead and show you how the cover works, and I'm gonna go over a few little details that you need to know. Now, anytime you get a rolling cover with a roll bar, a folding cover roll bar, it's not going to go past the roll bar. Now, of course, this guy already knows it because he watched the first video. So, now this Revolver does come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, luckily for him, we install it. So this one does, because it's a real truck product, it gets doubled to a 10-year warranty. Very nice. And we put 1-year labor on anything we do. Now, if you look here, there is a left and right release mechanism. So if you're standing on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open the cover. Now, I want you to take a good look at this big fat seal here. And I tell you, that is really nice. Also, I want you to take a look, Buddy, if you can take a look at the corner clip here. Now, this has been redesigned. As you know, on their earlier models, they just had a little clip there and a little thing that pushed it in, and sometimes it came out. Now, it wasn't a big deal, but it was an inconvenience from some of our customers. The newer ones are glued on and screwed on, so they kind of solved that problem they were having. So that's good that they've done that. Now, of course, this being a newer model, this is all going to be black. I know they used to have them silver. The black looks cooler. I like that a lot. Also, if you look in here, you can see how it's attached inside here. It is clamped on here, and you still get to use the cargo management system. I know some covers you can't use that. With this one, you can still use a cargo management. So now, come over here, you see this little rubber seal. That is to protect your hands in case this has been sitting in the sun and it's now 110 degrees. You put your hand on there, you don't burn your hand. Now, with this cover, because the roll bar will not go past this part. So that is one of the drawbacks. If you're going to have a roll bar, you're going to lose a little access to the bed here. So again, it's still better to have this, because if you go on a trip and you have no cover whatsoever and you put your luggage back there, and some bad person might reach in and go, aha, I got new luggage. So having this, you are securing your stuff in the bed, which is really quite nice, especially if you go on a trip. I know a long time ago I used to have a soft cover, and I was always worried about someone breaking in, stealing my stuff. That's why I always recommend hard covers. Down the road, you'll appreciate it. And I tell you, very easy to use. It just rolls here. Now, it's a little tighter because of the roll bar, but all in all, works just fine. So again, it's a good looking cover. It's going to serve its I'm leaving the bloopers in. Serve its purpose, thank you very much, of protecting your stuff inside the bed here. And that's important if you're going on trips. Again, if you like this, we can ship this anywhere in the country. Now, if you don't have a roll bar, installation, a lot easier. If you do have the roll bar, if you buy it from us, I will tell you how to do this, or Buddy will tell you, one of us, and you can do it yourself. Now, if you want to be like this guest and say, you know what? I'm just going to let the guys from C&H Auto Accessories do it, because looking at their 4,000 videos, I know they know what they're doing. And we do. So come down here. We have people from Texas, Canada, of course, all over the state of Florida come here just to have us install their products. They watch our videos. They see that we have a high quality install, and they want us to do it. And if you like that, I recommend it. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Revolver by Bak Industries, the X4S on a new Nissan 2024 Frontier with the 5-foot bed and the factory roll bar. And by the way, take a look at that. As you can see, it's very strong. It's not going anywhere. And again, don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.